In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Microsoft Loop. Microsoft Loop is an innovative tool that excels at organizing information through its workspaces and pages, making it incredibly versatile for both content management and collaboration. Whether you're managing a team project or collaborating on new ideas, understanding how to effectively use Microsoft Loop can streamline your workflows and enhance productivity. So, let's dive into how you can get started. First things first, when working with Microsoft Loop, you'll want to familiarize yourself with workspaces. Think of these as hubs for your projects or teams. Workspaces bring together all the relevant information and members involved in a project. To create a new workspace, you can either do so directly within the Loop app or through Microsoft Teams. Once your workspace is set up, it becomes the central location for all related materials, making teamwork and information sharing seamless and efficient. After setting up your workspace, it's time to give it a personal touch. You can name and customize your workspace, and it comes with a left navigation pane that helps in organizing pages effectively. Customizing the workspace not only makes navigation easier, but also enhances the overall workflow by keeping everything neatly organized and easily accessible. Next up, let's talk about pages. Pages are like the canvas within a workspace where you can structure your work with text, lists, tables, and more. It's where the real organization magic happens. You can add pages within a workspace to suit your project's needs. For more detailed organization, creating subpages is an excellent idea. They allow you to break down complex information into manageable parts. The drag-and-drop feature makes rearranging pages and subpages a breeze, ensuring that you can maintain a structure that makes sense to everyone involved. A fantastic feature of Microsoft Loop is the ability to convert pages into Loop components. These Loop components are reusable blocks of content, which can be anything from tables to lists or even entire pages. These components are really versatile because they can be embedded into various locations, allowing flexibility in how information is shared and managed. When you're working within Loop and you've created content that you'll need elsewhere, you can easily create Loop components from existing content on a page. It's all about maximizing the utility of your content without duplicating effort. Once you have your Loop components, they can be copied and pasted into other Loop pages, Teams chats, emails, and across other Microsoft 365 apps. This seamless integration ensures that your work with Loop remains adaptable and interconnected with other tools you may be using, providing a coherent digital workspace. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide on organizing Microsoft Loop to maximize its functionality. By effectively utilizing workspaces and pages and harnessing the power of Loop components, you'll be setting yourself up for success in both individual and team projects. Happy organizing!